sa hospital. Hanapin lang namin yung ward. Level 3. So, let's see kung makakapagkuha pa ako ng video sa loob. Leaf G. Let's see here. Block 2. So that's the emergency, Daddy. We go this way. Then, diretso pa.
Sa kanya.
Level 3.
Where is it? 3. And then we go there. So we're here na. Just gonna take a video ulit. Nakapila na kami. Waiting na lang. Natawagin ako. Update you soon.
You can stay like downstairs cafe and eat something like
How long is that? Two to 3 hours?
The procedure is like
Takes a while.
half an hour to 1 hour, but she's doing both gastro and colony, and also there is the queue like so we can't say not too
Yeah,
sure.
it's alright. I can
And
wait.
it also takes time to make her awake, like so.
Oh, it's alright. I can wait. Make
Yeah.
sure you know my number.
So can I have your name and number, please?
My name is John.
DOSANND. So it's D or O?
Panadol.
No. EN
And the
and the
END.
Okay. So END. Panadol, vitamin E, vitamin D,
Yeah.
and fish
Magnesium,
oil,
fish
magnesium.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
Let me.
Yeah.
What is it? Fibromyalgia.
It's FI.
FIB.
Okay, it's B.
RO. Yeah. MYALGI. Yeah.
And then depression,
Yeah. Anxiety.
anxiety, and
Severe migraine.
Okay, severe
Yeah.
migraine.
Tinnitus. Vertigo.
And what's this?
Tinnitus.
It's A. And
US.
Yeah. And
Vertigo.
Okay.
Hi guys, so ito na ako sa room. Bed ko. So waiting na lang Na-interview na din ako. Grabe yung ano ko dahil. So, yeah.
You okay? Scary. Stand up.
No. I just want to sleep. Oh my god. Look at my face. It's so red. I didn't put anything because they said no good to put anything. So look at my face.
Sleepy.
I wanna sleep. I just wanna sleep.
Waiting.
They're gonna put me thing here. I'm so scared.
Gandahan mo naman yung ano mo. Baka mamaya, pangit-pangit ng pagkuha mo. Sayang lang yung storage ko.
Problema na nila eh. Trabaho nila yun.
Nakakahiya naman, Daddy.
Talaga. Mahiya ka ba nun? Mahiya ka na eh. Trabaho ng doktor eh.
Lalaki pa yata yun.
Chinese. Hey, doctor. They know what they're doing.
Bed, and then I will preparing the room for you, and
Yeah.
you will go in very
Ah,
soon.
Thank you. Thanks for that.
Did they put the needle in your hand?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, we will do it. Yeah.
Bit tight now? Yes. Okay, now look at your hand and your arm. You look a bit tricky. Yeah. It's annoying, doctor. Might be able to use this one. That looks good. I'll use that. That looks good there. Choose the bicep vein. Let's try that. In a different, bit of a different spot, but if it works, it works. Doesn't matter. As long as it works. You know, up here you might just get a little bit of bruising because it's in that soft part of the skin.
I get used to it, doctor. I got it a lot of time.
Oh, you poor thing. One, two, three. I'm gonna sharp scratch now. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, all good. Okay.
I feel everything.
Yeah, this is just some salty water, okay? Very good. Okay, good to go.
Hi guys, I'm in a recovery room now. I'm just waiting for the doctor to clear me. I think there's a second recovery room. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah, I think so, Kim. Yeah, ask her if she's doing.
So I'm here guys, a second waiting room. I'm just waiting for my food. Because I haven't eaten solid food since last night. So let's see how I go. Hi guys! So success naman yung procedure ko. We're going home now. Kasama pa siya. So everything is so good. See you later. Hi guys! Nakakain na kami ng lunch. Pauwi na kami. Another kainan. Here. See you later. May games din sila. May flower shop din. Hmm.
24,
How much?
24.70.
Hi guys! Bahay na kami. Diretso shower ako as usual dahil galing kami sa hospital. So, okay naman yung naging procedure. Kaso nga lang, sabi ng doktor, meron daw akong sleep apnea, which is, I didn't know about that. Bumaba yung oxygen level ko sa theater room. And then, I think they need to iangat yung ulo ko. So, na parang nakagat ko yung gums ko, and then yung ngipin ko dito parang masakit. So yun yung explanation ng doktor. Hindi ko din alam, pero parang delikado din yata yung ganun, kasi pag bumababa yung oxygen hindi maganda, parang nag-block daw yung airways ko. So ayun, okay naman, ayos naman lahat, apart from that air blockages, tsaka yung oxygen level kung bumaba. So, yun for the whole day. Mas matagal pa yung inantay ko papunta sa operating theater room at saka yung pag-recovery, kasi nga naobserbahan pa din nila ako. So, yung ano lang procedure is parang 1 hour lang. Saglit lang. Nagulat nga ako yung paggising ko, nasa recovery room na ako, kasi may 2 recovery room. Yung una is yung maraming pasyente, naka-monitor talaga, and then after that, doon naman sa susunod sa labas, umupo lang ako sa reclining chair. Tapos, ayun, pinuntahan na ako ng asawa ko. Pwede na siyang pumasok dun sa second recovery room. So, ayun, okay naman. Minonitor pa rin nila ako dun mga Isang oras din yata yun. O 40 minutes. But ayun, okay naman. Kumain na din kami ng lunch. And then, eto na, magpapahinga na ako. So, ayun. So, yun yung update ko. Yun yung about sa colonoscopy ko. Masasabi ko lang is, mas mahirap pa yung pagpa-prep. Yung pag-inom ng mga yung sachet tsaka powder, mas yun, dun pa ako nahirapan, at tsaka mas lalong mabigat, sumama ang pakiramdam ko, tsaka sumakit lalo yung katawan ko kakabangon, in and out sa papunta sa toilet. So ayan lang yung toilet namin, yung shower room namin, and then this is the bed. So ayan lang, pero nakapunta yata ako dun from last night up until this morning. Siguro mga 25 times akong pumupunta doon. Yun, doon ako nahirapan. Kasi yung sa procedure naman, heavily sedated ako. So, wala akong naramdaman. Except yung pagising ko lang, parang ang sakit-sakit ng ngipin ko. Tapos ito nga, parang napansin ko meron akong sa labi. Sa likod. So, ayun. Okay naman lahat. Magpapahinga na ako. Papatuyuin ko lang buhok. Inaintay ko lang asawa ko. So, tutulungan niya ako magpatuyo ng buhok. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. Stay tuned lang kayo dahil marami pa akong mga tips and tricks and mga advice. Yung mga ginagawa ko daily life ko about fibromyalgia. So, stay tuned lang kayo. And, ayun, please subscribe na din. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Bye.